Letter, therefore, is to request you to expedite the comparison and analysis of the forwarding engine and fingerprint to enable the protocol for the use of the case.
Okay, so when you read that letter, does it, what in that letter shows that you were asked to eliminate those people? In that letter, is there anything that shows that you're supposed to eliminate those people?
In most cases, they
Is there anything in that letter which shows that you're supposed to eliminate them?
Yes. Just a question on that one. I had a photograph of the left middle fingerprint. From your experience,
gathered from the master bedroom balconies and the crime scene, which allegedly contained the stolen money. C. Sharpie envelope with a great logo. H. Mr. Perry. S.A. made in Spain. Gathered from the crime scene, master bedroom.
how conclusive can your findings be when you premise the finding on only the middle fingerprint? I thought fingerprints should be held in any ordinary fingerprint. If I touch this,